Yo. Alright, so I'm gonna hold the mic like this. Yo. Alright, so I'm gonna hold the mic like this. Alright, what's up, YouTube? Sorry it took so long. Sorry to my 10 subscribers that took so long. Obviously, I'm in a different place now, so I had to get that straightened out. But I got some new packages in the mail. I got, what the hell did I get? Oh, you know what? Forget that one. It's too late. But I got the Supreme Lacoste shoulder bag. Got that. I'm really disappointed that it's not real leather, but it's all good. Actually, I'm just going to show it to you now because I already unboxed it. I couldn't wait for a video, so I just unboxed it. I did shoot like a little preview video, so check it out. So here it is, right? Check it out in the body. Check it out. Never mind the jeans, but you get the idea. So you got that. You saw everything in the video. But here's something special. I got, hold on. Okay, as you can tell by the label that I'm covering up, I got something from Yeezy Supply. So, open it up. Sharpen my knife. Ice cream. Yes. Edwards. It's $1 from Dollar Tree. Starving, man. Oh, it's warm. Oh, it's good. God damn. It's good. It's dark in here, man. This is gonna be a fail. Okay. Listen, I already opened it, man. I got the box about, what time is it? About 6 hours ago. You know, goddamn well I opened that shit already. Okay. Oh. Wait. Right. You no longer have the Desert Rat, right? It said Desert Rat sticker, and then it had the Yeezy 500 sticker over top of it that said Blush. Now it doesn't say, right? I think it said Blush for the people that got their hands on it earlier. right? It said Yeezy 500 blush. Now it just said Yeezy 500. I think it said blush. I don't know. Cause I know it said Desert Rat there. But, anyways. I can see myself on the TV screen. Alright, so got the ugly bottom, got the ugly top, got the ugly sides. Listen, I didn't think these were ugly until I got them, you know. But on your foot, they're not so bad. Now, the materials are insane. I don't know. It's kind of crazy, man. It's so soft. These are really soft shoes. Very ugly off foot, but they're very comfortable on foot and they look crazy. These look good. Good now. Anyways, that's what I got. Hey YouTube. Thanks for checking out my video once again. Subscribe, don't subscribe, I don't care. But if you don't subscribe, leave me a comment. Express your opinion. Give me tips, pause. Express your hate. Doesn't matter. Just give me something to work with. That's really it, man. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Peace.